For over a decade working in industrial maintenance and reliability, we've seen the challenges of managing preventive and predictive technologies scattered across disconnected systems. Critical data from vibration, oil analysis, lubrication, and operator roundall lived in silos, making it nearly impossible to get a real view of asset health. That's why we created Spartacus APM. Spartacus APM centralizes all preventive and predictive technologies into one single platform, standardizing reliability practices and improving decision-making. Oil analysis results flow automatically from the lab through multi-API connections. Vibration analysis can be reported in a standardized way. Lubrication, inspection, and operator rounds can be performed offline on tablets. Wireless condition monitoring sensors integrate seamlessly, delivering real-time insights. Electrical testing, ultrasonics, and thermography results can also be captured. Work orders can be created directly in Spartacus APM and synced with your CMMS for easier execution. By centralizing all reliability data, over 2,000 plants now have a unified, cross-reference view of equipment health. With Spartacus APM, teams can standardize reliability practices across site and corporate levels, prioritize the right corrective actions, and track work orders all within one platform.